What's the laziest way to make $100 a day online without needing crazy skills, years of experience, or a big upfront investment? It's the question nearly every beginner asks the moment they type "how to make money online" into Google or YouTube. And here's the truth. There isn't just one path, but there are a handful of proven ways that are simple enough to start today, require little to no upfront money, and if you stick with them, can hit that magical $100 a day mark. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you never miss new money-making strategies, and tell me in the comments which lazy method you'd actually start with today. And whatever you do, don't click away, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which path can get you to $100 a day the fastest. So let's get into the laziest ways to make that happen. Method 1. Print on demand. Imagine creating a simple text design that says "Introverts Unite" separately and slapping it onto a t-shirt. Now imagine that every time someone buys it, you get paid, while a company like Teespring or Redbubble handles the printing, shipping, and customer service. That's print on demand, and it's one of the easiest ways to dip your toes into online business. The learning curve is basically zero. If you can drag and drop text into Canva, you can create a design. The scalability is there too. One viral shirt could make thousands. But here's the reality. Most designs flop. Platforms are competitive, and unless you find a clever niche, you might only make a few dollars here and there. Still, print on demand is the ultimate lazy beginner test. You can set up shop in an afternoon, try out 10 designs, and see what happens. It costs nothing up front, and it gives you a taste of what it feels like to make money online with your creativity. Method 2. Affiliate marketing. Now let's talk about affiliate marketing, and honestly, this one is exploding right now. The model is simple. You recommend a product, someone buys it using your special link, and you get a commission. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Digistore24, or Impact make it easy to sign up and grab links for products people already want. But here's where it gets interesting. Short-form video. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are pushing short content harder than ever, and creators are making serious money just by posting 20-30-second clips about products. You don't even need a huge following. If one video goes viral, you could easily hit $100 in a single day. I saw a creator post a 15-second video about a weird kitchen gadget. It hit 2 million views. The gadget was $29 on Amazon. Even at just a 4% affiliate commission, that one video probably made them thousands. The lazy part? You don't need to show your face. You can use stock footage, AI voices, or even just product demo clips. The risk is that platforms change algorithms. So one month you're making $100 per day, the next you're struggling to get views. But if you're looking for the fastest lazy way to money, this is it. Method 3. Digital products. If I had to crown the laziest long-term moneymaker, it would be digital products. Here's why. You make something once and it sells forever with no extra work. That could be a budget planner in Excel, a Notion template, a resume kit, or even an ebook. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Payhip make it dead simple to sell, and the margins are insane. Once you create the product, delivering it to the next customer costs you nothing. That's why sellers on Etsy are pulling in $10,000 a month just from a few templates. Now, I won't sugarcoat it. You need to create something that solves a problem. A cute daily planner won't sell nearly as well as a social media content calendar for small businesses. But once you crack that, the income is almost completely passive. Once the product is live and ranked, you can wake up to sales while you sleep. This is what separates hustlers from wealth builders, creating assets that keep paying you long after the work is done. Method 4. Freelancing with AI. At first, freelancing doesn't sound lazy. You're literally trading time for money. But here's the twist. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva, you can do in 30 minutes what used to take 5 hours. That means you can deliver services faster, charge the same or more, and pocket the difference. Think about it. Clients on Fiverr and Upwork don't care if you wrote the blog post yourself or used ChatGPT as long as it's high quality. Same with logo design, social media captions, or even basic websites. A beginner who knows how to prompt AI tools correctly can start earning $20, $50, or even $100 gigs today. The scalability isn't as high as digital products, but the money is fast. If you need $100 per day this week, freelancing is the most direct path. And once you've built a reputation, you can raise your rates and outsource the actual work to, you guessed it, other freelancers or AI. That's when freelancing transforms from hustle to leverage. Method 5. YouTube automation. The last method is YouTube automation, and while it's not lazy up front, it becomes incredibly lazy later. The idea is to build faceless YouTube channels using stock footage, AI voiceovers, and editing, then monetize them with ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Yes, it takes effort to make content and grow a channel, but once you hit monetization, the money can snowball. A single video can generate passive income for years. There are faceless channels out there making $10,000, $50,000 a month without anyone ever showing their face on camera. The lazy part kicks in once you systemize, hire editors, use AI tools for scripting, and batch content. Suddenly, you're just the manager of your own digital money machine. So, which method should you choose? If you want the fastest path to $100 per day, go with affiliate marketing on TikTok or Reels. If you want the most scalable and lazy long-term income, digital products are the winner. If you need money now, freelancing with AI is your best bet. Print on demand is a fun experiment but harder to scale, and YouTube automation is a long-term play that pays off massively if you stick with it. Here's the truth. None of these methods are push button and get rich, but they are lazy compared to the traditional 9-to-5 grind. And if you commit to just one, $100 per day isn't just possible, it's inevitable. Now, here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment below and tell me which method you'd try first. Print on demand, affiliate marketing, digital products, freelancing with AI, or YouTube automation.